I just wanna be only. Good morning, friends, and I hope you're having a lovely start to the beginning of your weekend. Today I've got the art set out and I'm going to let the kids have fun doing their painting while I get a bit of tidying done today. I am going to try and make sure that I add in some self-care because we all need that, and I need to make sure that I make some time for myself as well as the kids. So I'm going to make sure that I try and fit that in.
What happened when I think about you? I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my way of ways. Got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she goes, they playing on the songs. That's why I say the things that I change that way. I know you can't ignore me. It's so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Break it down. Yes, sir. Up and then stay up, had been blow. I shouldn't play no games, but you just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak, that was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do, man, it's true. Exes change, yeah. Hey, guess you changed for the better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo. But I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Low key feeling you, don't be cynical. Won't fuck you over, wanna fuck you over. Then again, the truth is I ain't really here to stop problems. Realize what a God them. Can't never say they got him. Know how bad you wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, that surprise him. I don't wanna get into it while you stressing him. I've been driving back and forth from Louisville to Lexington. Mileage on the whip, got your in my grip. College, make you wanna strip for them dollars. Got a job for you. Swear to God, I can do it live for you. So I scrolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow you. Say what's up with you. Got my soul.
Okay, so I have to tell you about this sweat trainer. This thing is brilliant. Like, this is not an ad, by the way. This is just me simply letting you know that this waist trainer is awesome. I basically have been wearing this for the last year or so, and it really does work. It's just brilliant. I'm not really a big fan of exercising. Like, I don't go to the gym or anything like that. But when I'm doing housework around the house, like hoovering and cleaning and everything, I will put my waist trainer on in the morning, put this thing on, and then I will just do my housework, do my thing. By the afternoon, it's time to take it off. I will just take it off, and I'm literally sweating buckets underneath. You can literally see the sweat coming off this thing. Look at it. Like, I know it's pretty gross, but I have to show you. There's so much sweat. That was literally like 2 hours of cleaning, and I was literally sweating. My top was completely soaked. I always wear a top underneath because it just helps to absorb the sweat. Obviously, you don't have to wear, it's supposed to be like directly on your skin, but I don't like it going on there because it irritates my skin when I sweat. You can put a gel. I think it does come with a gel, or you can buy a gel, but nah, I don't really want to put anything foreign on my skin because I'm super sensitive. But yeah, love this waistband. Had to let you guys know about it. I'll put the link in my Amazon store. But yeah, go and check it out because it really does. It's brilliant. So I'm going to go hop in the shower, get myself together, and let me get myself together for the day.
But you giving me
Oh, now I feel so nice and refreshed. Like, honestly, nothing beats a shower after you've just done so much work around the house. I'm ready to start my day. I'm going to hop downstairs and do a bit of yoga. But before I do that, I'm just going to quickly tell you about these leggings, because these leggings are such nice quality. Like, they fit so nicely. I got these in 4 different colors. They got the pockets. They just, look how they fit. They just fit like a glove. I just love these. I'm obsessed with them. But yeah, if you're looking for leggings, go and check these out, because I love these leggings. These leggings are from Shein.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be them if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, you only over cause you let him. Girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Baby, slow phone, come just sit down. I'm playing games and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in the thing. So 5, baby, no propane. Got good, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, pen gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
Yoga and meditation this year, 2024, has been the one. It seriously helped me sleep, rest, helped me with anxiety. It's just so good, you guys. Like, honestly, if you haven't already done it, you should just try it. It's just so good. So at the minute, I'm flicking through my cookery book and I'm going to find a really, really cool recipe I found. I did a really nice dinner, but completely forgot to film it. I'm so sorry. So this is kind of the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Next time I will remember to put that in and I'll actually cook and I'll do some baking and I will add that in. But yeah, sorry, completely forgot. And if you do like this kind of video, then please remember to comment and subscribe. Love to have you join the community. And for those of you that already subscribe to me, I love you and I appreciate you. And I'm so happy to have you here supporting my channel, because you know what, I love making these kind of videos. I really do. And it's been a while since I've made videos, and I'm going to continue to make my videos 2024. This is me making myself accountable and saying it. So I need to make sure that I do it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I wish you a really nice, relaxing weekend. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will catch up with you next week. Bye for now.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me thing. Maybe don't you be so sure to cry.